Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's an update video. So we took off the 375 pulley on this 2013 Whipple car. Now, hey, at the end, I'm gonna put a link to the video, the first video, where you saw this car make 830 real horsepower, but it's off. We put on the 3.125 pulley, and we're running 85. I'm gonna make a dyno pull. Let's see the numbers. We're gonna talk a little bit more about it. Now that is what I'm talking about. 930 the tires, 749 torque. And what's awesome about this is pretty much it's about 100 real horsepower and 100 torque across the board. We went from about 16 PSI of boost to about 20 and a half, switched from the 375 to 3.1 pulley. 6 setup, and again, don't forget, I'm gonna put a little link at the end of this where you can watch the original video on this car to see everything on it. And I'll paste everything from the description from that video into this one so you can see all the parts. But let's look at the engine one more time. Man, I can't believe this thing is on pump 85 street car. It's gonna make 930 the tires and it's gonna be absolutely stupid driving on the road. But Gen 3 Whipple right here with the 132 throttle body and the factory air induction system. Looking at the logs when I was tuning this, I feel like probably at this point, because we could go more boost on this, I feel like at this point, I'm getting a little bit of restriction right up here. And we did contact the client and say, hey, do you want to go more boost? Do you want to do a couple more things, make more power? He said, no way, 900 the tires, I'm cool with that. So, hey, that's where we're at. So this car's finished. If you have a question about it, leave a comment, happy to answer. And again, don't forget, subscribe, stay up to date. And at the end, I'll have the video of this car when we first made 830 the tires with about 16 pounds. And now we're making about 20 and a half. Thanks for watching.